channel power ratio, and occupied bandwidth. We will demonstrate the measurement using a WCDMA signal with a carrier frequency of 1 gigahertz, power of -10 decibel milliwatts, and symbol rate of 3.84 megahertz. First, let us check how to measure channel power. Step 1, use the SpectraCore software to set the center frequency as 1 gigahertz. Step 2, click measurement and select channel power. We will see a red channel box appear in the spectrum graph. Step 3, the ICX 400 measurement modes provide automatic parameter configuration. We can adjust the span, RBW, and other parameters based on the application. Here we set the span as 10 megahertz and RBW as 50 kilohertz. Step 4, select the measurement range. Click measurement to set the center frequency and measurement bandwidth in the secondary menu. We can also directly select the measurement range in the graph. Long press the channel box and drag left or right to change the center frequency. Long press the border of the channel box and drag left or right to adjust the frequency width. Here we drag the border so that the channel box completely encloses the signal. The number in the upper left corner of the channel box indicates the power of the target channel, and you can also view the measurement results of the channel power below the spectrum graph. Next, let us look at how to measure the adjacent channel power ratio. Click Return and select ACPR to start the test. Then set the span to 20 megahertz, RBW to 50 kilohertz, and VBW to 0.01 times the RBW. Finally, set the channel bandwidth to 5 megahertz and the adjacent channel spacing to 6 megahertz. Now you can see the main channel power and adjacent channel power ratio above the channel box in the spectrum graph, and also view the measurement results below the spectrum graph. Finally, let us look at how to measure the occupied bandwidth. Click Return and select OBW to start the occupied bandwidth test, then set the span to 10 megahertz, RBW to 50 kilohertz, and VBW to 0.01 times the RBW. The ICX 400 offers two measurement methods, X decibels or percentage. The default configuration for X decibels is -3 decibels, and for percentage it is 99%. We can choose and set according to our actual measurement needs. We can see the occupied bandwidth measurement results below the spectrum graph. That is a wrap for this video.